Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chimpa Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is ang weekly gabay for the month of October 9 hanggang October 15 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra sign ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na yung hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng may kapal at ng ating Panginoon. Not just nang bahala magbalik sa inyo ng mabuting kalooban nyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, umpisahan na natin. Angel Spirit Messages, anong pinakamensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay for the sign of Libra? Libra. Oh my God! Libra, Ace of Pentacles. My goodness, a big money, a big slot, no? The big opportunity, a big promotions, big opportunities talaga. And of course, there's the Hangman, no? Kumaga, waiting ka lang, no? Baka nagkaroon ng delays or something na sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-antay ka. Kumaga, God working for it. And of course, sinasabi na, change your mindset, change your perspective, na magdadala sa'yo ng magandang, opportunity. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Queen of Swords. There's an information. Na kumbaga, there's a bigger picture of yourself. Kumbaga, nakikita na nito, tanaw nito, malayo pa lang, magiging kahihinatnan or yung mga possibilities. Additional messages. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups. Wow. A big offer pagdating sa romance, love life, career. Of course, sinasabi dito, may bagong kilig, no? May bagong kilig. What is additional messages? Parang an offer for a lifetime. And of course, there's a Hermit card. There's so enlightenment. No? May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa'yo dito. No? May mga bagay na magbibigay sa'yo ng kasagutan about sa spirituality. And of course, there's a full card, leap of faith. Magtiwala ka sa process and progress. At magtiwala ka in God perfect time. No? Kumaga, there's a process and progress. At the same time, new beginning is coming. What is the Ace of Pentacles? There's a Three of Pentacles. Wow! About sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. No? May magandang new promotions, new job, new opportunities, new material offer. Baka sa some of you guys makakabili ng sasakyan or makakabili ng bahay, no? What is the Hangman? And of course, there's a Three of Swords in reverse. Ibig sabihin dito, there's some information na makaka-recover ka na from the pain. No? You're feeling stuck pagdating sa love life. Kasi sinasabi sa'yo dito na makaka-recover ka na at makaka-move on. And of course, there's a the Sun card. There's a pure positivity dito na mukhang makakamtan mo yung mga bagay-bagay. No? At the same time, makikita mo ang kahalagahan ng kung ano yung nasa paligid mo. No? Kumaga, makikita mo yung bigger picture of yourself. Tanaw mo na yung kahihinatnan ng eksena na to. No? Kumbaga, may kaligayahan na talagang magtatagumpay ka. No? What is the Ace of Cups? And of course, there's a Strength card. Mukhang sinasabi dito na strongest energy, mukhang mapapaamo mo siya. No? Mukhang sinasabi sa'yo dito na magiging, kumbaga, yung lion or tiger na to, sinasabi sa'yo na mapapaamo to, mapapaamo mo siya kahit nang gano'ng kabagsik or gano'ng katapang tong tao na to. No? What is the Hermit card? And of course, guys, there's Three of Cups. There's a celebration, no? At sinasabi sa'yo dito, may celebration dito. At iwasan mo daw yung mga walang kabuluhan. Parang sinasabi dito, there's a vanity or something na, kumbaga, yung walang kapararakang bagay, no? What is the Full card? And of course, there's a Five of Cups in reverse. Ibig sabihin dito, no doubt, no regret. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, mukhang magtatagumpay ka sa larangan na pinangahawakan mo. So, what is the Ace of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles? And of course, there's a Two of Swords. There's a decision, no? Kumbaga, there's a final decision. Kailangan mo na mag-decision about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Na, kumbaga, kailangan mo magtayo o magbuo ng panibagong negosyo. What is the Hangman and the Three of Swords in reverse? There's a Six of Swords. Transition. No, makakaalis ka na pagdating dito sa pagkalugmok o pagkasira, no? Kumbaga, dun sa sakit na naramdaman mo from the past. And of course, there's a Six of Swords, and the Queen of Swords, and of course, the Sun card. There's a Tower moment. There's a sudden changes, no? A sudden changes for a lifetime. Kumbaga, may pagbabago bigla sa buhay mo with the unexpected moment. Kumbaga, there's a builder. Maaring may mabubuo dito at mukhang may itatayo na panibagong bahay. Or meron kang bahay na, kumbaga, nakikita mo na kumbaga may pagbabago, makakabili ka ng bahay or makakalipat ka ng bahay, or there's a Knight of Wands dito na sinasabi ng resilience, no? Maging tahimik ka lang, no? Hindi mo kailangan maging public pagdating sa relationship, maging privacy, no? Yung private, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na hindi nyo kailangan pangalandakan yung relasyon nyo. Mas maganda tahimik at walang nakakaalam. Mas ganun tayo, no? Hindi mo naman kailangan ipangalandakan at issue yung partner mo ay love life mo no? The true happiness is being a silence. And of course, there's a justice card. There's a balance, no? Maging balance ka dito by spiritual, mentally, and of course, practicality, about sa finances, about sa, ano man yan, kailangan maging balance ka. What is the full card of the Five of Cups in reverse? And of course, there's a Ten of Swords in reverse. Ibig sabihin dito, no more backstabbing. Naka-recover ka na dito sa mga betrayal, impostor, no? Mukhang nakilala mo at nakilatis mo na. What is the outcome? Outcome is the Six of Wands. There's a victory and success dito. Mukhang magtatagumpay ka na sa mga bagay o responsibilidad mo. Nadagdagan man yung responsibilidad mo, yung mga obligation mo, pero nananatili ka matagumpay. At the same time, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition, no? Laging nga makikinig sa intuition mo. And gut feeling mo. And instinct. So, let's see what is additional messages for love oracle card. For love oracle card, there's a camera. There's a memories or make a memories, no? O may mga bagay na aalala ka. And healing heart, I told you, di ba? Mukhang makaka-recover ka na dito from the pain, from makakalaya ka na from freedom from toxicities relationship, ganon. Para toxic relationship, para makakalaya ka na. At the same time, sa mga toxic friends. At the same time, there's a golden mirror. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang ma-absorb mo yung sarili mo, no? Yung mga bagay-bagay, kumbaga, makikita mo na yung na kailangan mo mag-invest sa sarili mo, kailangan mo tanggapin yung mga bagay na ganito. So, yung nakikita mo na yung kahalagahan ng sarili mo, ganon. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. What is the yin and yang oracle card? There's an alchemy, ancestor guide. So, some of you ginagabayan kayo ng mga yung mahal sa buhay. And there's a renewal, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng mga panibagong eksena. At the same time, there's an apology. See? From the past, may mga taong hihingi sa'yo ng tawad. It's either your ex, your friend, diba? Your family related. Kung sinasabi dito, may hihingi ng tawad sa'yo, no? Let's see what is additional messages. Okay, there is a surrender to that sweetness. Venus, energy, pleasure, joy, and make love to life, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo talaga ng buhay pag-ibig talaga, ti. Ang lakas ng impact sa'yo pag buhay pag-ibig. Parang nagkakaroon ka ng motivation, no? Ganun talaga yung Libra, di ba? Pagdating sa pag-ibig, kapag talagang iba yung magagawa niya pagdating sa pag-ibig. And there's a portal. Doors are opening. May mga pinto ang magbubukas sa'yo and you have a rewards, no? A wild card. May mga bagay na hindi pa nataon at hindi pa nabigay sa'yo ng pagkakataon, pero this time, no, ibibigay na sa'yo. Ay na, parang there's a second chances, no, pagdating sa eksena. And of course, there's a star ancestors, hidden secret, no? May mga bagay na nakatago sa'yo at ngayon, matutuklasan mo na, no? Yung mga bagay-bagay na yon. So, let's see what is additional messages. For angel's number. For angel's number, let's see. And because there's a 19, I am a pioneer. So, ikaw yung sinusunod lahat, no? Ikaw yung nagbibigay ng information. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na na-achieve mo, di ba? At talaga na isa sa katuparan mo. Let's see, what is the pioneer? Independence and self-sufficiency are necessities to you. You are extremely capable in life and in work and aren't afraid to take big risks to achieve the life you desire. See, hindi ka takot sumugal, no? Handa kang ilaban lahat, no? Handa kang makipaglaban, handa kang makigsakripisyo, no? Handa kang sumugal sa hamon ng buhay, lalo-lalo na pag sa mga bagay na gusto mong makuha. Buhay, pag-ibig, pera, sarili mo, gumagano, kumbaga hindi ka takot sumugal. Because there's a vanity, I told you, di ba, kanina sinasabi ko sa'yo, yun yung sinasabi, maging aware ka, yung mga walang kabuluhan, walang kapararakan, no, umiwas ka. Alam mong gastos lang, umiwas ka, ganon. Kasi kailangan nyo, tignan mo yung bigger figure of yourself. Yung alam mo yung meron kang makukuhang benefits, no? Workaholic, sinasabi sa'yo pagdating sa trabaho, talagang ano ka talaga, no? Sub kalabaw, gano'n, may tinatawag na gano'n eh. So, what is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Nothing is yet set in stone. So, hindi pa napapanahon ngayon. And of course, you are good enough. No? Pagdating sa'yo, sapat ka na. No? At sapat ka na talaga. At kaya, kumbaga, kung ibibigay ka sa iba, talagang deserve naman nila. No? Deserve mo naman. So, what is the Monsology? What is the Romance Angels? Romance Angels represent codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. So, ibig sabihin nito, minsan nagkakaroon ka ng obsession, no? Pagdating sa pag-ibig, obsession. Baka pag niloko ka talaga, baka maano mo no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging aware ka lang ha. Kailangan maging balance ang emotions mo. Hindi lahat binibigay. Man holding heart, talagang, ito some of you Libra, if you are Libra man. So, ibig sabihin talagang meron kang pinangahawakan, meron ka talagang minamahal talaga. Kung sino talagang loyal ka or faithful ka. At the same time, if you are Libra woman, kumbaga may taong may hawak ng puso mo. Yung lalaki may hawak ng puso mo. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito talagang nagmamahal talaga sa'yo ng lubos. Ano ka sinasabi sa'yo dito? A thinking woman. Meron ditong overthinking na tao, no? Or babae. It's either you or cross-watcher. So, what is additional messages? And regret. May mga bagay na hindi mo na mababalik from the past. Diba? And of course, there's a judgment. May kanya-kanyang uniqueness tayo. Kumbaga, yung mga pinagdadaanan mo na yan, kumbaga, depende yan kung paano mo yan masusolusyonan, paano mo yan mapagtatagumpayan, pagandahan na lang ng pagdala, no? So, what is additional messages? Additional messages, there is a leadership, no? Kaya mong mamuno, no? Kaya mong magturo. And of course, there's a school. Some of you teacher. Some of you, ikaw yung nagbibigay ng information. At kayang-kaya mo masagot yung mga bagay-bagay, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. There is a boundaries. So, kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries. And of course, forgiveness and support. So, some of you, there's an ancestors talaga, no? May gumagabay sa'yo na mahal mo sa buhay. Yung mga yumao na. And of course, there is a go for it. Ilaban mo raw. May mga bagay na talagang kailangan mo ilaban kasi ipapanalo mo to. Malakas talaga ang laban mo. Ganon. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? So, Archangel Michael messages, explore your option. Kailangan tumingin ka sa mga iba-iba pang opinion or options, diba? Hindi ka lang bumibili sa isang eksena lang. At the same time, there's a guarded and protected. Ginagabayan talaga, sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit, even ng yung ancestors. So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? And of course, there's a stretch, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo mag-exercise, mag-massage, and of course, kailangan mo ng, about sa spirituality, kailangan mo talaga ng exercise, no? So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Peace I live with you, may peace I give it to you. So, ibig sabihin dito, ibibigay sa iyo ang kapayapaan, no? Na nararapat para sa iyo. Ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, ayon sa kalooban ng Panginoon, ibibigay sa iyo ang kapayapaan. Kaya ipagkaloob mo rin sa kanila ang kalayaan at kapayapaan. So, what is the messages of life? I reap what I sow. So let's see what is the meaning of this. Today, I remember that all I think and all I do will come back to me in some way, in some day. And either I understand that I reap the fruits of what I saw and fill my life with thoughts and deeds of abundance, light and love. I saw deeds and seeds knowing I will harvest the greatest of my riches. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga palang pinagkaiba sa what goes around comes around. Kung ano yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, ay yun din ang babalik sa'yo. Kung mabuti yung ginawa mo, mabuti rin ang balik sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin dito, maging aware ka, no? The justice is here, sinasabi sa'yo dito, na kumbaga, maging patas ka sa lahat ng eksena, no? At maging mabuti ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para mabuti rin ang balik sa'yo. At magiging maganda ang mangyayari sa mga susunod na panahon at susunod na henerasyon. So guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of October 9 hanggang October 15 for the sign of Libra. This reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, diba? Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal. Diyos na ang bahala magbalik sa inyo niyan. Naway siksik-liglig na go-umapaw. Maraming salamat po. And of course, guys, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asa man kayo sulok ng mundo para sa susunod na reading natin. Baka energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap ng ating mga gabay. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!